Welcome to 5953 Clay Circle in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is over 2,400 square feet. We are located just 8 miles to beautiful Navarre Beach and 18 miles to Hurlburt Field. This home was built in 2018. We have an all-brick exterior here with gutters, under-eave lighting, a sprinkler system, and Kevlar hurricane coverings. The owners here have also just revamped the landscaping out here. We have some fresh mulch. It is just absolutely gorgeous. We also have a ring doorbell on the exterior. So coming into the main foyer area, gorgeous tile throughout the main living space, vaulted ceilings with recessed lighting and dual ceiling fans. These vaulted ceilings give for a wonderful spacious feel. We have a nice open floor plan that flows nicely into the kitchen here on our left. Into the kitchen we have beautiful dark cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, refrigerator with a drawer and an ice and water dispenser, built-in microwave with an electric cooktop, as well as seating for 4 here at the island. Just off the kitchen in front of me, we do have our garage access. As you did see, that was a 2-car garage. We have a pocket door going into this wonderful spacious pantry. So much room in here. Plenty of storage. And just across the way here, we do have our laundry. Again, the laundry room has a pocket door to kind of keep the noise down. Very spacious dining area. They have a table with seating for 4. You can easily get a table that seats 6 over here, potentially 8 people. Tons of natural light flooding the main living space here. We have a wonderful pool that was just added less than a year ago. I will take you out there in just 1 second, but first I wanted to show you the interior of the home here. Again, very spacious living area. We do have a Nest thermostat. That is a smart thermostat, which is also operable by your telephone. So we have a split floor plan here. The primary suite is located just off the kitchen, which I love that feature. It gives a little bit of privacy away from the additional bedrooms and bathroom. So we have a king-size master here, very spacious with the tray ceiling and recessed lighting. Plenty of room in this master suite here. The master bathroom, we have a double granite vanity, recessed lighting. We have a wonderful garden tub with some tile accent here, right in front of the window. Lots of natural light in here as well. And this ginormous, huge walk-in shower. Very spacious in here. Tile all throughout. And a water closet for additional privacy. And we do have dual walk-in closets as well. So just a really wonderful floor plan here. Very well thought out and very spacious. And just across the way, we have our 3 additional bedrooms and full bathroom. The first bedroom on the right here is located on the front side of the house. Really nice sized bedrooms as well in this home. Just next to, we have our second bedroom. And then we do have a full bathroom in between this bedroom and the third bedroom on the back side of the house here. So spacious full bath here, granite countertops. We do have a shower tub combo in this bathroom. Perfect if you have littles and you needed that bathtub. Into the third bedroom on the back side of the house with views of the swimming pool. This house is very well maintained, very clean. Carpet is in great shape. No projects to do here. This is really a turnkey house. So now I'll get to show you this wonderful treat back here. Just through these French doors, we have a wonderful entertaining space for guests and family with recessed lighting. Nice covered space here. And again, this pool is less than a year old, and it is a saltwater pool. Just gorgeous. They went ahead and splurged and did a little bit of extra here on the concrete pouring, so we have some additional seating space where the pool lounges are. Fully fenced backyard here with a privacy fence. This house also has solar light paneling and a termite bond as well. So no worries there, active termite bond. Just a wonderful place for entertaining family and friends here. Just stunning. And it is a gorgeous day out right now, perfect for the pool. So again, we do have gutters on the exterior of this home. Definitely an added bonus. French drains as well here on this concrete patio. So I will take you back inside, give you one last look at the kitchen and main living area. If you know anybody who would love to see this beautiful home located in Gulf Breeze, Florida, please let us know. We would love to set up a showing for you. Just stunning in here. Perfectly maintained. Again, this is 5953 Clay Circle, located in beautiful Gulf Breeze, Florida, just 8 miles to beautiful Navarre Beach.